Don't be surprised if I tell you that about 60,000 new variants of malware are released on internet daily. You are always under the illusion that antivirus means no virus. The antivirus works to detect virus contamination, but they are not capable to counter the new malware released every day. Due to the advanced nature of malware or viruses, most of the antivirus signatures get released only after 72 hours of infection. That's quite a good time, or quite a lot of time for cybercriminals. Free antivirus is designed to trick you to install malicious program. Further, fake antivirus scanner will highlight problems in your system or your device which have never been present, commonly known as scareware, to rob your money or to rob money from you. Antivirus is just to term it in a simple word, it's a fake zone of security. The antivirus industry today can't guarantee your system security, as the antivirus code can be reverse engineered by a skilled programmer or a malicious hacker. Their growing nature of complexity has nailed down many big industries and firms and many antivirus companies. FrameVirus is a successful in creating a high-profile attack on an advanced government systems and organization. Cybercriminals from Iran and its Russian Federation are designing complex malware. Those antivirus signatures is near to impossible to develop, and even if it is developed, a new variant of malware blossoms. Please note that a single defense can fail, but a multi-defense can help in making hackers' attempt unsuccessful or difficult.